Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number 1, will you eat? Correct. Number 2, tomorrow is my birthday. I will? Yes, you got it. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob eats eggs every Friday. Bob eats eggs every Friday. Eggs. Eggs come from chickens, and many people like to eat them. Now we can make a flashcard for eggs and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write egg up here in the top left corner, E-G-G. Down here, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. Over here, the number 16 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Egg. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is turning 21 today. Jennifer is turning 21 today. Turning. Today is her birthday. Yesterday she was 20, but now 21. Now we can make a flashcard for to turn 21. Please make a card like this. The basic form, to turn 21. But it could be any age, of course. Down here, VID1, this means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here, the number, 75 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Turn. Game over. You did very well today. Will you eat eggs today? Yes, it could be one egg or more than one. And I will turn 21 on my birthday. And if you're high level, number 1, clothespin. Yeah, we use this for hanging clothes when they are wet. Number 2, which one's right? High-heeled hat or high-heeled shoes? Shoes, correct. They make women taller. And to dial a number, this is with the old telephones like this. 3, 7, we dial a number. Today is Tuesday, September 9th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating. You can join anytime. It is designed for internet learning. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.